My dear friends, welcome back. Today we will see how to install the Java software, and after that we will check it the Java software is installed or not. Next we will execute one small Java program. Okay, so first I will explain how to download the Java software from Google. Okay, so actually here JDK 1.8 download for Windows 32-bit. Actually now I am using the laptop, that's why here I am installing 32-bit. Suppose you will use desktop, then please install 64-bit. Okay, so please click on that. So here we have an option Java downloads, Java download kit 32-bit. So now I will click on Java development kit 32-bit. Okay, so here it shows download now option. So please click on download now. Okay, so based on our internet facility, it will take some time. At least it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so up to now please be patient. Okay, so after downloading completed, we will observe that software in our downloads. So here please observe that Java development kit 32-bit v8.0.2110.12, this is the version. So now we will start the installation. Okay, please double click on this. So it shows it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so please be patient. So here we have an option, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So please click on yes. Okay, so here please observe the installation. Okay, so please watch. Okay, here you will observe clearly. Okay, after click on yes, the screen shows like that. Here we have an option. This wizard will guide you through the installation process for the JDK 8 update 211. Okay, so please click on the next. Okay, so please wait. So here you will observe like this. So please click on development tools. By default, it shows the highlighted point is development tools. So please click on next. Okay, around it takes 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so please be patient. So the process is going on. Okay, now you will observe like this. So destination folder, actually our installation softwares are by default available in C program files X or x86. So this is our file location. Please click on the next. Please be patient. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, the please observe here Java Software Edition. SC stands for Software Edition. Development Kit 8 update 211 successfully installed. Very good, congratulations. So thank you. So this is the installation process. Now we will check it. The software is available in our system or not. Okay, so how to check that process? So please open command prompt. Okay, so please search for the command prompt. Okay, it will open like this. So here please type the command java c. Okay, so here java c is not recognized because in our Java software installation is one thing. Another important point here is class path setting. Very important. The path setting is very important for the Java installation. That's why now I will show how to set the class path. Okay, so please observe carefully. Please open C drive. Okay, so here C drive. Next, actually our Java software is available in program files x86. So here you will observe the Java folder. Please click on that. Next, here we have two files are available: JDK 1.8 0_211. Here another important folder is JRE. Okay, so please click on JDK. So next, please click on bin. Okay, so here the packages are available, the applications are available, the libraries are available. So now please select the all these. Actually now we are at PC, C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin folder. So please select. Okay, please Control C. Okay, copy this location. Okay, so C program files x86 Java JDK bin. Please copy. How to copy? Control C. Okay, so now please close this folder. Okay, after that please click on this PC, right click, properties. Okay, please click on the properties. Next, here please click on advanced system settings. Here environment variables available, please click on that. Okay, here we have two options: user variables for our name, okay, system variables. So here our aim is to set the class path for Java. So here please click on new. Here it asks variable name and variable value. So at the variable name, please type path. Here our aim is to set the path. Okay, so here the variable value is actually where the Java software is installed. C program files x86 Java JDK. Already we are copied that one. So please here paste. How to paste? Control V. Okay, so please Control V. Okay, so okay, so here you will observe the path, the variable value. Okay, so please click on OK. Please click on OK. So please close this window. Okay, so this is the process how to set the class path. Now once again we will check it, the Java software is available or not. Okay, already we know the command java c. So here please observe, actually 5 minutes back we are not received this type of comments. Okay, so here all the java software comments are displayed here. Okay, this it shows the java software is installed successfully. Suppose our aim is to check it which version is installed in our desktop or system. For that point of view, the command is java space minus version. So it shows, actually at the time of downloaded we are downloaded 1.8.0 underscore 211 version. That's why it shows the version of java. Okay, now this is the downloaded installation process. After that the software is installed or not process. Okay, now we will execute one small program. Okay, so for that point of view, here I will already typed one program here. So that's one I will open. So actually that folder is I am saved here. Mm, documents. Okay, here I am write one small program here, simple java program. Okay, so where the folder is available as your wish. Okay, for simply please save your java files on the desktop. That is very simple process. Okay, so here I will write one small program. Now I will open what the program is. Okay, so here right I will write one small program. The class name simple. So whatever the class name we will write, with the help of that class name only we will save the program, java program. Okay, here I will consider the class name as simple. That's why here my program name is simple.java. Okay, here I will write one small program. It displays hello java. Okay, so now we will execute this small program. So here how to execute the program, already we are open the command prompt. Okay, so please open the command prompt. So command prompt, already command prompt is opened. So first we will change the directory where the program is available. Actually in that C drive users our name, actually in that the program is available in documents folder. That's why I am changed the directory here, cd space documents. So at that in document folder the program is available. So users bar documents. Okay, here the program is available. Okay, so now we will execute the program. How to execute the program? So first we will compile the java program. Okay, first we will compile the java program. So here java c, how to compile the java program? Java c space, what is the program name here? Simple dot java. Okay, so here it shows some compile time errors. Any compile time errors are available, then displays here. Otherwise no compile time errors, then we will run the program. How to run the program? Java space simple. Okay, so actually what is our aim at the program, in the program, to display welcome to java like that. Okay, so now we will observe the output here, hello java. Okay, actually we will display the hello java. That's why the hello java is displayed. This is the process of how to download, how to install the java software, how to set the class path, how to execute the java programs. Okay, so actually How to check it? The Java software is available or not? What is the command for that? The Java software is available or not? How to check it? Java C with the help of Java C command. How to check it? Which version is available in our system? Java space minus version. How to set the class path? How to set the class path? So first we will open the bin folder. Where the bin folder is available? Drives C drive, program files x86, Java, JDK. In that the bin folder is available. After that, please copy that address, and where we will paste that address, please click on this PC, right click properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. In that we will create the new path at system variables. Okay, variable name as path, variable value, we will paste the whatever we will copy. Okay, so this is the process. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.